In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create motion graphics promo video in Canva 5 minutes. We'll build a fast, eye-catching promo that's perfect for food content, and the same workflow works for any product. Start by logging into Canva so you can access your projects and the video tools. On the homepage, pick a video format that fits where you'll post, like square for feeds or 1080p for widescreen, or jump right into a video template to speed things up. Set the tone with a background. You can choose a solid color, a subtle gradient, or a textured image. Then add simple shapes to divide your layout into sections. This helps guide the viewer's eye and gives you clean spaces for images, headlines, and prices. Keep margins consistent for a polished look. Upload your food photos to the Uploads panel. Use background remover under Edit Photo to isolate each item, then resize and position them so your main dish is the hero. Layer items with position controls, and keep key elements away from the very edges. Bring your visuals to life with animation. Select an image, click Animate, and try effects like pop for a snappy entrance, pan for movement across the frame, or baseline for subtle motion. Keep duration short and punchy. For extra depth, add shadows. Go to Edit Photo, open shadows, and apply a drop or glow. You can animate the shadow as well, keeping it gentle so it supports the motion without stealing attention. Add your text, a bold heading, a short tagline, and brand or offer info. Mix two complementary fonts and use brand colors with strong contrast for readability. Then animate your text with typewriter, ascend, or burst to match the energy of your visuals. Open the Elements tab and drop in accents like stars, leaves, or lines. Animate them with wiggle, wipe, or neon to add personality. Keep these small and purposeful so they reinforce the message. Duplicate your page and make slight variations in image sizes, placements, or text to create a sequence. Between pages, apply the match and move transition so elements glide seamlessly from one layout to the next. Fine-tune timing with show timing, stagger animations so they play in a clear sequence, and adjust durations to align with the beat of your soundtrack. Add background music or sound effects from Canva's audio library or upload your own. Trim to fit and lower the volume so it supports the message. When you're happy, click download and export as an MP4. Preview the render and you're ready to share your motion graphics promo.